to the fact that y'all listen to my music, even though it's starting yet. But anyway, I'm gonna be making music. I'm gonna make dubstep, EDM tracks, hip hop beats, well, just all everything. So yeah. Then my nephew Desmond.
Hey YouTube, you know this is me, Desmond, and basically what he's saying that he's gonna be doing dubstep beats. You know, he's gonna be helping me with rap battles. He's gonna be also doing stuff like helping me on my channel when I do the rap battles. Yeah, so the music that you hear in my first video, that's the one that he created. You probably didn't hear me because I was too quiet, I was nervous. And also, well, I'm starting on a new series on YouTube that I want you to check out on my channel though. I'm gonna give you a description of the new series on my channel. And what is it?
His video, I made that beat, and I'm gonna be helping with rap battles and stuff. And I'm gonna be making beats. I'm gonna try to throw some nice artwork in there right about me also, because I do a little bit of drawing. I'm rapping, so I'm gonna put that up there with the beats. So if you like the artwork, then it'll be on my Facebook somehow. I'll work that out later. But right now, I'm just starting off with music. I might try download links, but it would help me donate, you know. I need money because I need the equipment. But anyway, yeah. Oh, well, that's it. So, yeah. DeAndre, there's...
And this is Desmond King.
And we're starting our channel. Yay.
And we're signing out.
Yeah.
Signing out.
Yeah.
Signing out.